Hi, what's up, Shiba Inu coin holders? So what's going on this time, my friend? The Shiba Inu coin, in previous days, my friend, especially in the start of month, Shiba Inu is completely go to the moon and take a very huge jump. Definitely, all holders are very shocked to what is this, and they are starting investing. But those holders who invest for short time, 100%, these holders are completely get a profit. But those holders who have a plan, my friends, to invest for a long time, absolutely they cannot get a profit, because Shiba Inu coin is not, my friends, a comfortable coin. Definitely after a short term they will again, my friends, pump, but after a pump they will also very badly dump. So therefore, as you can see, after this short dump they will pumps up, but for short time they will again more dumps down. So therefore, I will tell you, to Shiba Inu is not good coin for long time investor. Kindly, if you invest for a short time, then absolutely you will get a profit. So kindly, my request for all of you to invest in Shiba Inu coin for a short time. I will give you guarantee to you will earn a lot of money. But if you, my friends, invest for a long time in a Shiba Inu coin, then you will need to wait for 1 year, for 5 year, and also for 10 year. So I hope, my friends, to you will get a profit. Otherwise this is impossible to you will earn money from Shiba Inu coin. So my subscriber, if we check out the last 24-hour chart, so in last 24 hours this coin is again profit. You can see here 3.15% the price is pumps up. So therefore, I will notify you to, at the end of month, every coin will moving upward, because holders want to get a profit. And absolutely, when a coin will starting moving upward, then a holder are starting buying. So therefore, the Shiba Inu is moving upward, so the holder are starting buying. They will never sell, and at the end of month, I am 100% give you guarantee to they will give you a very huge profit. See you next time, Shiba Inu coin holders. Kindly like video and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.